What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you've watched any of my other videos, I think it was 2 videos ago, can't remember, talked about possibly changing up the drag radials and the wheels that I've been using on the Hellcat. So these are my currently mostly used up Nitto NT05Rs, and they were basically on the equivalent of the Hellcat replica wheel in gloss black. So my new wheels and tires have shown up. These were 315/35s. Unfortunately, the new tires I went with do not go up to 315/35s at 20 inches, so I had to stick with a 305. Before I show them to you though, I do want to provide a public service announcement. If you guys are buying wheels and tires already mounted and they're being shipped to you, I don't know about UPS or any of the other carriers, but everything I've bought, the summer tires, these drag radials, the new drag radials, have been shipped from California to me in Delaware through FedEx. And I can honestly tell you, if you're going to do this and the wheels are going to be out of their original boxes because the tires are mounted, make sure you pay for shipping insurance. Every time these things have come, wheels have either been damaged or the cardboard that they're packed in actually look like they should have been damaged, but because of the placement of the cardboard and where the damage to the cardboard was, luckily the wheel itself did not get damaged. So anyway, here's the new setup. I'll show them to you in a second. So these are the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's. Like I said, they only go up to 305/35/20. But you can see this is exactly how I got them. Unfortunately, I was not able to be here when FedEx delivered them, so these things were sitting outside my garage just like this. One of the wheels still had all of the strapping on it. Everything still was packed, the original packing, and then one of them was completely undone. I have no idea whether it was the FedEx driver that undid the strapping. I would assume so. I can't imagine you would have gotten this on the truck like that and whatever. But as I mentioned, you can see damage to the exterior cardboard. I've kind of checked this wheel to see if there was any damage. I'm going to be cleaning them here in a little bit, so I'll be doing a better inspection when I'm actually doing that. But yeah, so like I said, if you're going to get this stuff shipped and they're already mounted and balanced, make sure you pay for the shipping insurance. So anyway, what I decided to do from the wheel perspective is I decided to go to Demon replicas. So these are the factory reproduction Demon replicas. They're 20 by 10.5, and you can see that they are in gloss black. For some reason, I just really like the way the gloss black looks with the Go Mango color. Unfortunately, the gloss black is definitely more difficult to keep clean, and I noticed that the finish seems to be very susceptible to marring. I thought I had some pretty soft microfiber towels, and you can see that this thing is pretty dirty. You know, I'm hoping that I can polish that off. I don't know what the hell that is. Like I said, I'm going to be cleaning these things here shortly. But anyway, as I was trying to clean them up a little bit, I noticed that it looked like they were actually getting marred by the microfiber towels that I got. So I don't know if maybe it's my microfiber towels, or if because they're gloss finish, they're just really susceptible to the marring and stuff, the micro scratches and stuff. But anyway, there's the new setup. I had hoped to be able to put them on the car and maybe go to Cecil County Dragway on the Saturday after Thanksgiving to try them out. Unfortunately, right now, as of the Sunday before Thanksgiving, the weather's showing that it's supposed to be raining on that Saturday. So if that's the case, I certainly won't be going to Cecil County. But if I do manage to make it there that weekend, I'll post some video of how well these tires do. But I'm interested to see how they compare to the 315s. You know, 10 millimeters doesn't sound like a whole lot. Hopefully it won't be a whole lot. I think it'll also be interesting that the alignment on the rear has been fixed on the car, so these are going to go on with the alignment being correct, so hopefully they'll wear correctly. They won't be, you know, all worn to one side like these are. So anyway, there's the new setup, and thanks for watching.